So the old IPFs are coming off. I actually love the look of these lamps, but they're not very bright. But they will be getting reused on one of my Land Cruisers in the future. I'm going to see if I can restore the housings, tidy them up, make them a lot cleaner looking. Simple enough wiring. It previously had dipped in spotlight 6 inches on it as well, so that's why it has extra wires for the low beams. But I'm going to reuse the I'm going to use the loom from the KC kit anyway. So let's get removing these. Tightening these, or am I loosening? Oh, that seems to be tightening. Now I'm gonna have to go get pliers to take these cable ties off I put on to stop the wiring from falling back out of the lamps. now to fit the daylighter lamps. It's getting dark at the moment, so I don't think I'll be sorting the wires in, but I can at least fit the lamps. And there's the number there of the model. Need some WD-40. Let's see. Seems I need a bigger. I need to drill them out more. I'll be back. This one might fit. To do this out further. Also wearing a Heatwave KC collaboration t-shirt. It's actually one of my favourites. Anyway, back to this. just showing the halogen daylighters up on the roof. There's one lamp out at the moment, but 3 of them are working fine. The difference in light in my Pajero now, I've also converted the 2 front lamps to gravity LED with KC's inserts. So to show you now, first are the 2 front lamps, which are, like I said, just daylighters converted with the LED gravity inserts. Massive difference. Now I'm going to turn on the roof lights. Like I said, 1 lamp is out, but 3 of them are still functional. And these are halogens. As you can see, there's a huge difference in lighting just with that alone. And now I'm going to turn on the front lamps, which have the gravity inserts. It literally is daylight. And I'll turn them all back off again. Roof lights are now off. Front spots are now off.